Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So into the video looks like Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas and review. So friends, let's start today video. This Christmas centerpiece feels like a piece of the forest inside a little woodland magic for Christmas table placed towards three wood slides of different size like steps. This creates layer and gives your centerpiece a natural forest look. Add the elements, a tiny pins tree or wood stars, a few small candles or LED lights between them will make the wall glow like a fairy forest. Winter details, sparks, snow, a few pin cones and in swing of fire. It's like a tiny Christmas over right on in your living room. A Christmas centerpiece that tells a story once of natural winter and the quiet magic of Christmas nights. Looking for something old and festive. This red and green wood slice centerpiece is full of colors, joy, and Christmas joy. And readers, Christmas around the candles with pins, red berries, and shining ornaments, and small golden and ribbon bow or two to make it pop. Light and shine when the candles glow. The colors some alive, warm red, deep green, and golden spark dancing onward. And the weavers. Bright, joyful, and beautiful, traditional and wood slice centerpiece that captures the light of Christmas itself. And mirrors. Christmas large jar centerpiece turning something simple into something magical. This Christmas wood slice centerpiece with glowing large jar and warm and spark to a new room. And words, Allah Hafiz.